What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and today I have a news on the Poco F3 and the Poco F3 GT. Now the Poco has now officially confirmed and also has teased a trailer on the Poco F3 series which are going to be launched in India very soon. So now today we have an information about their processor and also the specification which you can expect from the smartphone. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe by hitting that bell icon also so you never miss an update from us. So now that I have done that, let's get started. So first let's talk about the Poco F3 GT specification, and it is expected to be a rebranded version of the Redmi K40 Game Enhanced Edition, and we already know about its specification, and it will flaunt a 6.67 inch of OLED display with a 120Hz of refresh rate with the HDR10 plus content support. Now if we talk about the processor which the phone Poco F3 GT will be powered by is the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 SoC with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Now that storage will also be expandable via a micro SD card, and the phone will pack a 5000 mAh battery with a 67-watt fast charging into the box. On the software side, the phone will run on Android 11 based on the MIUI 12 custom skin out of the box. On the camera side, the camera is expected to come at a 64 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel wide angle lens and 2 megapixels of macro lenses. If we talk about the selfie camera, there will be a punch hole selfie camera of 16 megapixels, and it will be a 5G phone of course with a Wi-Fi 6 supported and a Bluetooth 5.1. It will also have a LED notification LED for calls, messages and charging around the camera module. Now if we talk about the pricing of this phone, we can expect this phone to be priced around 25,000 rupees, and which will be a direct competitor to the OnePlus Nord 2, which is also going to launch in the near future. You can also check that phone in the card above. Also, if we talk about the launch date of this phone, the phone is expected to launch in the Q3, which is from July to September. The phone can launch anytime between from July, August and September, so that's one thing for sure. What do you think about these phones, and what do you think that the Poco F3 will finally be a good successor to the Poco F1? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.